Hi friends, today I am releasing 21st video. It contains how to add journal entries in the normal books of accounts. So I have added one sheet named as JV which you can see on your screen. I have used same format as that of debut. My JV is salary account debit to salary payable. In our normal case, we use column head debit and credit. But for this program, you consider payment column as debit and receipt column as credit. Now, I will change the name of the table as JV and load this table into Power Query editor. For that, I'll use data from table and range. My table JV table is loaded. Now I'll change data type for this date and time. I will change it to date, replace current. Then I'll select receipt and payment and I'll change the data type as decimal point. Now I'll replace null value into 0. So I'll use transform replace value, and this replace value window is open. Value to find will be null and replace with will be 0. I'll say OK. My journal entry query is ready. I will create a connection. For that I will choose close and load to. I will select only create connection and say OK. My journal entry is ready. Now I'll open daybook query. I'll use append queries. Table to append will be JV. I'll say OK. Now if I sort this data, then you can see the JV is appearing in the daybook. So I'll close and load this query. My daybook is updated. If I refresh this trial balance, then the salary payable has come. It is appearing as a separate head without serial number, as we did not have this account. It's a new account. So I'll copy this account and I'll add this account and I give 57 as a serial number. If I refresh this trial balance again, my data is ready. Suppose if I pass a new entry as control D audit fees to audit fees payable, 5,000 debit and 5,000 credit. Let us check whether the effect is coming in the trial balance or not. For that I'll refresh all. See, both the entries are appearing. So this way you can add journal entry in the Power Query, and you can complete your accounting assignment without using any software. Power Query will take care of everything. Now our next task is to generate ledger account. Assuming we are maintaining books of accounts of ABC Limited and we wanted ledger, we wanted to give ledger to ABC Private Limited. So my heading will be in the books of accounts of ABC Limited. Then I'll give name ledger account, and I will give this link. So my second line item is ready, and we want to extract ledger account in C4. For that, I have already created this ledger name table, which I have already loaded into Power Query editor, and I have created this ledger connection. So let us proceed further. Now I'll use this ledger query as a reference, and I'll use merge queries. My second table name will be daybook. I'll select ledger name from first table and account head from second table, and I'll use join as only matching those. I'll say OK. I'll open this double headed column. I don't want to use as a prefix, and I'll say OK. I'll remove this ledger name. I also remove this account head. I will change the data time into date. I will move this payment here before receipt. I'll rename column name from payment to debit, and credit from receipt. My work is over. I will close and load this query into existing worksheet, and I will select here and enter. My data is ready. I will add net debit as a column. I will add total here. I will add all the debit side. Then same way I will add credit side. Then I'll deduct credit from debit side. Then here I'll put total. I will select the whole row and give a color, and my data ledger is ready. If I change any other head, say salary, and if I refresh, the salary account is ready. If I select any other account, say this furniture account, and if I refresh, my furniture account is ready. So this way you can generate account and give the extract of your ledger account to your party. I hope you like this video. Thank you.